Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's white chocolate. We're making them in little Easter egg molds with a little bit of help of one of the Easter Bunny's helpers. And this recipe is for Holly and Ryan.
Holly and Ryan.
Okay, now over gently simmering water we put cacao butter so that it doesn't touch the water, and we gently melt that. So we've only got it on 200 watts of power. Little Mouse is going to paint our little silicone molds here with just some vegetable oil, not too thick because it'll make your chocolate too sticky, but we do want it to release from it. And we're going to just add, there's only 3 ingredients except for the oil here, icing sugar and full cream powdered milk to our white chocolate recipe.
Is that too much?
No, that's good. That's good. And the next one. Yep. Paint them all. Make sure you get all in all the grooves. Okay, once this is melted, we were going to use popping candy, but it actually hasn't survived the summer weather.
Because it got stuck to the wrapper.
It did. It got stuck to the wrapper. Okay, so we're just going to melt our cacao butter and add our remaining ingredients. It shouldn't take very long. We don't want to boil it. We don't want to have it touch the bottom of the glass bowl either. Okay, I've cut it into little chunks to make it dissolve a little bit easier. We don't want it to be really, really hot. It sort of will go like almost like will go the same color as honey. Okay, it's well and truly melted now. We've just turned it off and we're going to add our remaining ingredients. The reason I'm sitting this into a baking tray is with the help of a 5-year-old. We're expecting it not to go exactly where we want it to go, so this is damage control. You might want to consider that if you're cooking with children. Okay, we're going to add our icing sugar first and mix that all around until it's well dissolved. Don't splash it. Okay. And then you have to add your powdered milk. Tip it all in, visible. Now you have to mix that right in.
Now that's going to turn to milk.
It's going to turn into milk chocolate.
Now that's going to turn to chocolate.
But we need to dissolve all of the crystals of the powdered milk and the icing sugar. Okay, keep mixing until all those lumps are out of it, gently. Alright, it's going to be a lot easier if you've got a way of pouring this into your containers. So I'm just going to put this into a sauce bottle and then it can get deposited exactly where it needs to go.
Which doesn't have sauce in it.
No, it doesn't have sauce in it.
Now that's really full.
It is full and it's warm too. And we don't have to shake it or anything. I'll show you what to do. You're going to put it into those containers. Alright. Don't squeeze it too hard. Just squeeze it a little bit till it's full to the top and then stop and then go to the next one. Okay, stop. Next one. Can you see all right? If you want to turn it around, might be easier. Yeah, well.
That's why. We have some chocolate as well?
No, we're making a recipe. When they're cold and they're set, they'll be lovely. Next one. Next one. Don't overfill it. Don't overfill it. There you go. Next one. Next one. We've probably got enough here to make 2. I'll have to find something else. Alright, we're going to let those set for a little bit, let them cool down sort of like to room temperatures. Now we've just got some other little silicone chocolate molds that we've already brushed with oil, and we're going to fill those up. I don't know how much this is going to make because I haven't used the Easter egg mold before.
Ready?
Help you. Oops, there you go.
Now there where they are.
Yeah.
Your mini one.
Mini ones. Try and be careful, won't you?
Enough.
Do you need any more? Do you need any more? Have you got much in your container? That's alright, that's okay, I'll get that. If you hold it up a bit, yeah, don't worry about that. If you hold it up a bit more and just squeeze a little bit, that way you get plenty in there, okay? Without filling them over the top.
Whoa,
okay, now let them get to room temperature and then we will put them in the fridge to chill. Okay, our little white chocolates just pop quite easily out of their silicone molds, and that's what they look like. You can wrap them in some pretty foil or put them into a little cellophane bag, and the little legs just pop straight out quite easily, and that's what they look like as well. And you can just melt the edges of those and just sandwich them together. And there you have it. Cheekyricho Cooking's how to make white chocolate and a little white chocolate Easter egg. I had more of these, but Little Mouse has eaten them. She's pretty keen on white chocolate. I'm not really a big fan of white chocolate, and this recipe hasn't actually improved my opinion of it. But if you like white chocolate, go for it. It's very simple, it's very easy to do, and according to Little Mouse, it tastes great. Happy Easter, everybody.